Hi there, this is Mrs. Piper, and we are going over the very last stage of creating your composition that's focusing on movement, rhythm, and unity. As you can see, I have finished painting with watercolor my composition. I have created areas of cool colors next to warm colors to create a rhythm. I've also created a sense of unity by keeping many of the leaves similar colors. I am going to be adding finishing touches to make the leaves a little more interesting. As you can see, they're all fairly yellow gold, and I want to kind of bring in some details and some additional colors into areas of the leaves to give it a little more interest. So I'm going to zoom in. And as you can see, I have a pen, I have crayons. You may use pencils, markers, crayons, whatever you choose, but I'm going to be adding details into the leaves to make them a little more dimensional. I've chosen to use crayon, and I also have this black extra fine permanent marker. Now, you will find that if you go in with the black pen, black marker, you might not be able to color on top of the wax from the crayon. So don't be surprised if your permanent marker doesn't go over everything. But I wanted to add just a little crispness to some of my lines. So I'm going in with my Sharpie. And then I'm going to go in with my crayons and add a little shading to make the areas fade from a dark to a light color. So I'm pressing hard where I want it darker, and then I'm pressing lighter and lighter as I move out. And I'm going to do this in some areas. I'm not going to do it everywhere, but I definitely want to give the leaf a sense of texture and variety that makes it a little more interesting to look at. By doing this, by adding these little finishing touches, you're going to give your work a better sense of oneness. By putting the orange here, it's tying into the orange that we see over here, so it's bringing it all together. Again, this final step is to use crayons, markers, pencils, extra fine Sharpies, whatever you choose to make any finishing touches to your overall composition, so that when you are done, you have a finished work that has movement, rhythm, and unity. I hope you've enjoyed this project and have a great day. Thank you for watching.